I just switched off my phone since 2 days. I just came back 2 days from hospital. I just switched. Or if I say anything on the internet, you're not happy with it, I'm sorry. From my heart, I'm sorry. I'm very, very sorry. I'm very, very sorry. I'm apologizing publicly, and I want you to please help me share this video. If
Yes, my country people, na good morning, na good afternoon, good evening, according to the time where you dey. Now, see me on our only brother of Firstborn TV. Yes, this our sister, that Jesus, he don't come out, she don't come out, come dey beg, say I beg, anything wey she do, one not like, one forgive her, and no be lie, na comedy, she say she dey use and they do, na just comedy. Anything when she dey do, say most of them na plan work, most of them na race, say one not vex for them. She not dey bad, and normally, no be her fault. And I know the country where we dey say, man must hustle, you must hustle. Anything by thing, we must hustle. Most things we dey fake am just to make sure say person get wetin dey find. Job not the work not dey, no better thing to do. You go finish school, you no get work. So person get to move ahead with life. When we say, man, you need to find one or two they do so that he go fit meet up with him mate then. This one now, she want meet up with her mates. That's why she dey do all this one. Don't be say she just for publicity they do some of them. Now because say things get the way they dey for the country, government not they send you nothing when government to the support person when we say those okay, at least if more time you'll get something when we say first you graduate finish now, never get work now. Maybe the if you dey on that pressure, they will feel they pay and small money when they soft itself. But this one I no way. I beg she dey. I beg we see the join on they beg. You no understand? When I forgive her, I beg we dey. I beg we all dey. When I forgive her. You say no be waiting on her think. She not be like that. Say if she dey close to her, you know say no be so she be. And due to the way she her face dey when she does hospital, even when she will say come as me just dey follow up with the way she dey do things since when we say they say all these things happen to her house. So to look of her face self, you know say this girl na one kind person be say all those kind things when she dey do, all those things in blind na comedy, she dey use them for just to make sure say she do okay, she still put smile for her face too, just to make her happy because they say happiness is free. I beg, now she dey beg. Wanna forgive her. Anybody when be say take anything, say maybe he offend you for any way, wanna forgive her. Now our sister, now our own. We no kill. They say they use one hand they beat pikin, they use the other hand they drown the near body. Wanna forgive her. I see they beg, so wanna forgive her. I beg she dey. Wanna forgive her. Anybody when we say she don't for offend, may forgive. Wanna forgive her. I beg. For this girl, a good girl. To be frank, I always say now you when not dey close to her, go look and say she bad. If you look some of the comedy one they watch, you will say now so the person be most of the okay. See this guy now we say for Lagos, so we say Valentine, when Valentine bust, he go plan with Gateman. Celebrity when we say with the scene no popular guy with the scene no when we celebrity. He go plan with Gateman, say make Gateman go carry package give her, say na girl bring her, connect say no they collect. Because of that thing, they won't sack that our brother for work. When we say work, to get work not easy. The security guy, they won't sack him. Now God just save and say the guy come quick come and say, na fake, say na art. They use an art too. But those kind of things, most see they make sure say things so they carry more fair they wash well before they carry some of them they put for social media because it's not good. I beg we dey. Since you don't beg go, now I just forgive her because many things na arting. Na arting be many things when we say you dey sin. When I say you'll be. I beg. As she dey beg una muna just take her like that, saying on her own. We know see her face, see everywhere. See you see her picture when I put her picture now. See where she no be so she felt be before. I beg she dey beg una now. Muna just forgive her anything. When if you say they use an art, say no, you not like him, say that's so she wicked. No, she not be like that. Muna forgive her. Now our own no. Not be say you can't say because say she did do you bad now you just from there punish her. Who God when we say create yourself. If you see beg her for forgiveness, you will forgive her. Not talk of we might be more forgive her. Anything we do us, wanna forgive her. Anything we do us, Una forgive am, abeg we all dey. No mean say una come take because of say he offend una just from there say he do me this one, make I punish am for this thing wey he do so. No. Abeg she dey. Una just watch the video when she say dey apologize to all Nigerians, anybody wey don offend. Una forgive am.
Happy, not like he dey happy, not like he email something. Now I don't know, I'm happy. I don't know why now people now everything I do on internet, people now see it as an insult. People now see it as I insult people. No, I don't insult. Oh. I don't mad. You have not been close to me before. Maybe you have not seen me before. If you've been face to face before, you have concluded that mad. You have concluded that I'm evil. You have concluded I'm a scammer. You have concluded that I did this, I did that. Just imagine how I'm sick. I'm reading some people's comments on some posts I'm seeing. That's why I'm drop my voice. Just saying, let me just on my phone. The thing, please. And I'm also seeing some comment people telling me to ask for forgiveness to people I have offended. Okay, fine and good. From my heart, if any of my video, if any video I do, you're not happy with it, I've offended you with my video, with my words in any way, I'm sorry. Michiro Musa. So, I'm begging you in the name of God, if I have offended you in any way, you're not happy with me in any way, I'm sorry. If my video abona ekun internet no way more my comedy no way more, you don't like me, you don't want to be seeing me on internet again, you don't just wish to be seeing me on internet again, I'm sorry. But I will be glad to read some comments here. If you people don't want me to do comedy again, I would like to read the comments here. I would like to quit and stop so that you stop seeing me on internet. I don't like the way people are now seeing me as a bad person. You have not seen me before. You haven't seen me face to face before. And you just concluded overnight that I'm a bad person. I need some comments. Some comments really hurt me. So, and secondly, I want to say this publicly. You people should stop accusing people that have nothing in my sickness. I'll be sick, not today. It's not today. I'll be sick a long time. Not today. Nobody did this to me. It came on its own. So I don't know why people are now accusing everybody that this person did this to me, this person. Nobody did anything to me. It's not today that I'll be sick. This sickness will be eating millions from me, not today. Just that the thing I have now is not disturbing me so badly that I cannot concentrate anymore. So please, I'm begging in the name of God. Asị na enwe onye mmere ihe ọjọọ, asị na mmere video na-enweghị iwe maọbụ ekwuru m okwu na-enweghị iwe on social media, more like onye na-eme on social media, I'm begging in the name of God to please forgive me. Forgive me. Anybody that I called his or her name on internet, you are not happy with it. Rite Doshie, Udumeje, Prince, though we are not enemy, we are not fighting. We are not fighting, but I'm just calling the names that you people think that I insulted them. Rite Doshie, Udumeje, Prince. Rite Doshie, Udumeje. Rite Doshie, Udumeje, Prince, Shimari Temple, everybody, in fact, everybody, anybody that I've called, what's her name again? Michiro Musa. What's her name again? I think anybody that have called your name on internet, you can't tell somebody shut up and you expect the person not to say anything. You can't spit on somebody and you expect the person not to say anything. So if you are misunderstanding my videos and you don't like my comedy and you really want me to stop, you can drop your comments. Later, when I get strength, I will read it. I only have strength to talk now because I took some drugs. Then I have some strength to talk now. So I want to thank you all. I want to thank you all that sending money to me, contributing for me. I say God bless you all. I love you from the bottom of my heart. I'm not very tired. I can't talk anymore. I want to rest. Please, once again, I'm sorry if my videos or if I have offended you in any way. If I have offended you in any way, forgive me. I'm sorry. Odumeje, Ritedoshe, Lion, Chimaren, Wanyimo, and others. Anybody that called your name on social media. But I want you people to know that anything I saw on social media is not from my heart. It's not from my heart. I'm not bad as you think. It's not from my heart. I'm not a bad person. I'm not a bad person. I'm not a bad person. So thank you all. God bless you all. I love you all. Bye bye. Keep on praying for me. Keep on praying for me, because I'm not getting myself. I can't even stand up. I'm sitting down. Yeah, I'm sitting down. I can't stand up. I can't stand up. If I stand up, I feel weak. I take almost 3 pints of blood every week. Tomorrow I'm going to take another blood again. So thank you all. I love you all. God bless you. Bye bye.